I was originally going to make a video how I upgraded my main workstation with FreeBSD 14.3 on it to the latest FreeBSD 15, and well, it didn't go to plan. There was an error that popped up, and although no one else, I've not heard anyone else come up with this particular problem, so it's probably down to my system, no doubt. It's held together with chewing gum and string. But for now, I can't, and I can't do a video based upon my system. But there's an alternative, and that's how to upgrade from 14.3 to 15 using VirtualBox. But the process is the same. Right, here we are in FreeBSD 14.3, and I'm about to upgrade to FreeBSD 15.0 release. So first of all, I'm just going to go into root, and then just going to issue FreeBSD-update fetch to get the latest updates if there are any. It's always a good idea to do this, just sort of align everything up. There we are, no, there's none needed. And your system may be different, of course. And if you do pull any new updates, then you just put install after the FreeBSD update and it should install. But in this case, like there are none, so there's nothing to do. We'll just clear the screen, and then uname -a will show us that we're on FreeBSD 14.3 release, patch set 5. That's all very good. And if we issue again FreeBSD-update, but this time we're going to put upgrade, and then we're going to put -r for release 15.0, and then hyphen, and in capitals, release. So we're telling the system to upgrade to a new version. And it's a major upgrade. This is from the 14 branch to the 15. So we'll just let it do its thing. And it's going to do a lot more things, inspecting the system, see what can be upgraded, etc. And we get presented with the following components do not seem to be installed, and does this look reasonable? But yes. And a lot of this is just waiting around for things to be done. Depends on the speed of your system, of course. If you've got a super fast one, things will be quick. Mine is not super fast, so I have to wait, and I'll fast forward through a lot of these processes. So after it's inspected the system and it's bringing down what it needs, so it's fetching files, and then it's going to merge them. And here it is fetching the 5,903 patches, which is quite a lot when you think about it. And applying them. When it's done, there you are. And now it's fetching 853 files. So again, it's not the speediest process, but you know, it's mostly automated, so you don't have to interact a lot. This is one of the times you do, and it says, does this look reasonable? And it's showing you how somehow your configuration files are looking. I'm going to put yes, and following files will be updated, and it's showing you what they've already done. And right. So now we have the option to run FreeBSD-update install. So everything that it's been downloading and applying, we can now fix by installing. It's creating a snapshot, which is pretty good if you want to roll things back, which I've had to do a few times. So, right, and it's asking us to reboot and then apply FreeBSD-update install again once we've rebooted. So if we issue shutdown -r now, and you could put reboot if you wish, and it should restart. And once we're in, we can put FreeBSD-update install again, and we'll wait again. A lot of this is repetition, of course. You have to install and then upgrade and then install, and it's, you know, just follow the on-screen prompts. It'll tell you what you need to do. Right, what it's asking now is that we need to upgrade any packages, and this is because you've had a change of ABI and things might not work if it's relying on the old system. So we're going to run pkg update. Right, and pkg upgrade if there are anything to upgrade. Because this was a VirtualBox, there's not many files or not many packages as there would be on my main system, which would take considerably a lot longer than this. But it's up to upgrading one, that's a pkg itself. And once that's done, we can do FreeBSD-update install again. And then reboot. So it's basically, you know, you update, pull everything down, apply them, reboot, update your packages that are already installed, and then reboot, and apply again. It's just to fix things in place, as it were. So if you issue uname-a again, which now says FreeBSD 15.0 release. Yeah, hopefully that was of some use. I used to be terrified of updating and upgrading FreeBSD, but it's fairly straightforward, except when it's not on my main system, which I'm going to have to fix. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you like more than one of my videos, then please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos I might release. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.